Hi, I'm Marcin, SVP of Technology from Klick Health. In this video, we'll be talking about the difference between first-party cookies and third-party cookies, and the changes that will impact digital marketing industry. With the announcement of the third-party cookies being blocked today by default on Safari, while the overall US market share of Safari is around 35%, Klick estimates that life sciences brand traffic from Safari is over 45%, which would result in much more significant implications for those brands. But what is third-party cookie versus first-party cookie? One example for first-party cookie implementation is when you visit a website on day one and click on a product. Then you return to the same site on the following day and see the product highlighted with an offer. A second example is when you create an account to log in and click Remember Me. When you come back, your username is already pre-populated in the login field. A first-party cookie is created, used, and owned by the website domain you are visiting. Third-party cookies are different. It is a method to enable two different sites under different domains to share information. A most common example of third-party cookies is when you visit a product site and view a product of interest, then you follow that visit at a later date under a different domain, you may be presented with an ad for the same product. A third-party cookie is fingerprinting your activity across the different domains, sometimes without you realizing it. First-party cookies are also used by websites for site analytics and other profile management use cases. As third-party cookies have been blocked by Safari for a while and are increasingly being opted out by consumers, it is important to adjust your site implementation and marketing strategy. If you are interested to learn more about the topic, make sure you check out our ongoing coverage of upcoming privacy changes, including more in-depth video discussions and POVs.